Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Connect with Friends in Game Center to prevent apps from asking on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Game Center. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Connect with Friends. At the top here, tap on Connect with Friends. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now set up turning off Connect with Friends prevents app from asking if they can connect you with your Game Center friends, and will stop sharing your friends list with previously allowed apps. And that's it. Now you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.